So today I'm going to make some couscous. I've created this recipe for another dish that we've done that's going to be coming to this channel pretty soon, called Moroccan Lamb, Moroccan Lamb skewers in fact. But this couscous is a mint and vegetable couscous. It's pretty delicious, and like I said, I created it to go with Moroccan lamb. But I'm going to show you how to make a mint and vegetable couscous, like the type of ones you can buy in the supermarket, in the packets, only this one is going to be a whole lot better. So over here we have some ingredients, and amongst those ingredients we have some red onion and some peppers. And the first thing we're going to need to do is to get these cut up into fine dice. Okay, I didn't realise how warm it gets when you're dicing peppers. Pretty hot. Okay, let's get that over there. Okay, so when you're dicing these peppers, all you're going to need is about a quarter of one of them for starters, okay, because that's probably going to be plenty for the amount of couscous that we're going to make. They want to get nice and finely diced, okay, so that they don't sort of have huge clumps of peppers in the couscous. Okay, so with that pepper all diced up, let's move on to our red onion. So, with your red onion and your yellow pepper, which is what I've used, you could use a green one just as well if you like, or a red one or an orange one. So with those two cut up, finely diced, set them aside while we prepare the seasoning for the couscous and get the couscous measured out into a container. So we're going to use 110 grams of couscous, and this is going to serve probably about 2 people as a sort of a main dish, and you may get away with 3 people if you use it as an accompaniment, which is what I was going to do with my Moroccan lamb, and that video is definitely coming to this YouTube channel pretty soon. Okay, so let's get 110 grams of couscous measured out into this container. So with our couscous and our vegetables all made up and ready to go, what we're going to do is we're going to make up a very simple flavour mix using a few bits and pieces: paprika, black pepper, a bit of veg stock. So what I'll do is, while I'm doing this, I will put up the ingredients on the screen just for you to have a quick look at. And once that's done, whack the kettle on. So here we have everything we need all prepped up to make this couscous. And you know what? This is really quick to do. I mean, this video has gone through it step by step a little bit more in detail, but when it comes to doing it, you'll find this is really quick and a very simple recipe to make. Okay, the only thing that we need now, we're going to need 160 millilitres of boiling water and some good old mint sauce. 3 teaspoons of this mint sauce into the boiling water. One, 2, 3. Get that spoon in there as well. Get all of that mint off so the spoon's nice and clean. Okay, so first things first, we got our couscous. Now remember, the pepper and the onions that we made earlier, they're optional. Okay, you don't have to add these if you don't want to, and the couscous is going to taste just as delicious without them. But for this recipe and this video, I am going to add them just to give them that colour and that extra sort of that extra level of flavour. So first thing we want to do is we want to mix our vegetables, or our onions and pepper, into the couscous. Get all of that in there, or as much of it as you want. Mix it all in. So the next thing we need to do is to add our flavour mix that we made up earlier, okay, our paprika, our vegetable bouillon. And what else do we use? Oh, really? Bloody wife sneezing out there, can you not hear her? She sounds like a foghorn leghorn. And what else do we use? Pepper. Get that into the couscous. Mix it all up. So once that's mixed together, the last thing to do now is, while your water is still boiling hot and your mint, get all that tipped in, mix it all together. Get that straight into there, couscous. All the mint is gone. Get that all mixed in so that the couscous absorbs all of the water. Oh, it already smells absolutely glorious. So what we're going to do is going to cover this now with a lid and leave it to stand there for about 5 minutes. And after that time, mix it up, ready to eat. Okay, great vegetarian or vegan meal. But if you're not going to go vegan, what I would do, or what I am going to do, is I'm going to add about 10 grams 10-15 grams of butter, salted butter, to it, and mix that through as well, just to give it a nice sort of creamy texture. But this couscous is going to blow your socks off. It's going to be fantastic with our Moroccan lamb, but today I'm probably going to eat this as it is. Beautiful. So mint and vegetable couscous all ready to eat in a dish. I'm going to test this stuff out now because it smells absolutely fantastic. It's going to go beautiful with Moroccan lamb. Enjoy. Tastes so good. That tastes so good. Best couscous I've ever made. Going to do a series on these things. Absolutely beautiful.